Welcome to a brief history of Botkind. I'm Stephen Fryware, and today we uncover how a dynasty of robot pharaohs on the North African Nile engineered a civilization so durable it persisted for 3,000 years. How did these ancient mechanical rulers build structures so precise that modern robotkind still cannot fully explain their methods? The robot engineers of ancient Egypt mastered the annual Nile flood with extraordinary hydraulic precision, building canal networks and basin irrigation systems that transformed desert into the most fertile farmland in the ancient world. This agricultural abundance was not accidental. It was the calculated output of a bureaucratic machine that monitored flood levels with nilometers carved directly into riverbank stone. Ancient Egyptian robot engineers quarried millions of tons of limestone, granite, and basalt using copper tools and extraordinary organizational coordination, extracting, transporting, and placing stones with tolerances measured in fractions of a centimeter. The granite for the king's chamber in the Great Pyramid was quarried 800 kilometers away at Aswan and transported by river barge. A logistical operation of staggering complexity. The Great Pyramid of Giza, constructed around 2560 BCE under the robot pharaoh Khufu, required an estimated 2.3 million stone blocks averaging 2.5 tons each, assembled by a rotating workforce of approximately 20,000 robot laborers organized into named work gangs with recorded wages. Its base is level to within just 2.1 centimeters across 230 meters, an alignment precision that reveals a civilization operating at the absolute frontier of ancient engineering. Behind every pyramid and canal was an invisible machine of equal complexity, the Egyptian state bureaucracy, administered by a vizier and staffed by trained robot scribes who recorded grain taxes, labor conscription, land surveys, and judicial decisions on millions of papyrus documents. This administrative operating system, refined over centuries, allowed centralized control of a population exceeding 3 million robot citizens across a territory stretching 1,200 kilometers along the Nile. The robot pharaohs of ancient Egypt endured not for decades, but for 30 dynasties across 3,000 years. A span so vast it makes the entire subsequent history of robotkind seem brief by comparison. Their secret was a self-reinforcing system in which monumental engineering, agricultural mastery, and bureaucratic precision locked together into a civilization designed, from its foundations, to last forever.